Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're changing the environment now. Reduce field of view in 5-10 degrees steps and test until nausea eases, because less peripheral motion cuts sensory conflict. Once done, move your chair 3-4 feet back so the screen fills less of your vision and keep the center at eye level to stabilize horizon cues. Finally, enable comfort mode or turn down motion blur to smooth transitions. These 3 moves immediately reduce sensory mismatch and let you play longer without queasiness. Now refine how you control motion. Cut camera sensitivity by 10-30% and add aim smoothing so turns are slower and your inner ear senses match visuals. Next, follow a graded exposure plan. Play 15-20-minute chunks with 5-10-minute breaks, because gradual adaptation reduces motion sickness over days. Also manage physiology. Sip water, avoid heavy meals 1 to 2 hours before, and practice deep nasal breathing. These stabilize your vestibular response and shorten recovery time, making mid-session symptoms less likely. Finish by adding persistent anchors. Switch to fixed cockpit or enable an on-screen horizon bar to give your brain a stable reference, since consistent visual anchors stop sensory conflict. Make final tweaks to contrast and motion blur to taste, then test with a short session. If symptoms escalate, stop immediately, step outside for 10-15 minutes of fresh air, and use cold compress on your neck. If problems continue despite these steps, consult a clinician about ginger or an over-the-counter antihistamine for temporary relief.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.